Wow.
We're at Alan's apartment now. Still can't get over his cuppings.
No, I know. It looks like you have hickeys on your neck.
I used to have those every single week.
I have those too.
I'll show you my full back.
Nah.
Oh.
I like the sweats. Are they like speckled?
They're fuzz.
Whoa! What's this?
The roof is really cool.
Are we allowed to go here?
Yeah. No, but you want to go to the roof. The roof is really nice.
We want to go to the roof.
Is there a hot tub?
No.
Oh.
Well, I don't know if it's heated on our bedroom.
So we finally finished class. It's
did.
like 11 in the morning. It's like 1:30. My bad. It's 1:30. Here's our sleeping area as of now. Honestly, sleeping wasn't too bad. I was on the wooden table. Alex got a nice little bed. We'll do like Alex will do a showcase of my outfit.
Okay.
Make sure it's focused.
Drippy.
So
100.
we're wearing the Reebok shoes, some corduroys. We got the belt. We got the thing. We got the 100 Thieves hoodie.
Oh yes. Oh
We got
yes.
the Tommy Bahama watch. We got the butterfly clips.
Oh.
And we got the pretty bad nails. So, but that's okay. We're about to go get some food. Hopefully at some nice lunch place. Not entirely sure where. Little apartment. I don't think I did an apartment tour so far. This is like the main living room area. Last night, this will only be on the vlog. The fire alarm went off because I turned on the stove like really high and there was pans in it.
You're literally exposing yourself onto camera.
Yeah, no one will know. We'll do a little tour of Alan's room. Alan's room looks pretty nice. For some reason, he has his bed on the ground. Not entirely sure why. Here's his like little gaming setup. He has a balcony out here that's pretty nice. There's a little skyline of absolutely nothing. We're in the middle of Santa Monica. There's not much here, to be honest. There's that, like where we're staying right there. I'll show you the bathroom now. Once we lock the door. There we go. The bathroom's pretty nice. Took a shower last night. Pretty overall pretty good. No, just everything. CRV, shout out to CRV, just got that in. And yeah, hopefully we get some food pretty soon. Alright, we're heading out finally to go get some food. What do you really want to eat, Alex?
Coffee.
Alright, we're gonna eat real food. We're gonna get some sandwiches, hopefully.
Sandwiches.
The elevator that wasn't peed in, which is pretty nice. We're on the fourth floor, right?
We're gonna go to the roof soon, so stay tuned.
Like tomorrow. Tonight to do some homework. This is Alex's fit. 100 Thieves, yoga pants, some white Adidas. Do a little spin. Show us the back. No, go back. Like show the back. Put your head up.
What? Ass. Oh my god, there's a mirror in the elevator. That's super fun.
So we just got Chick-fil-A. I got a spicy chicken sandwich.
I don't know about the we in this.
They called me Ken's. I don't really appreciate that, but that's okay. We're at like this little outdoor venue. Like you can sit outside here, which is really nice.
An outdoor venue?
So we go to maps.
Is this it? Like what is this?
Oh, that's what I got too.
Do you think it's this?
Yeah, and then someone said it was like a scam, but that's what you said. I'm like, no, it's not.
Wait, do you think this is the tickets?
Yeah, do like activate now.
Can you do yours?
Can you do yours? Good snacking with Alex. Made it to Starbucks. Ordered a little overexposed. Made it to Starbucks. Ordered an Uber 9 minutes away. It's currently whatever time it is, 2:14.
It's unclear.
At Starbucks. So Alex finally got her meal. What'd you get?
Venti iced caramel macchiato with light ice upside down and almond milk, and then a warm pumpkin bread. We've arrived.
Following Tim right now with Andre. Oh, it's somewhere. I'm not sure.
Wait, is your name Andre?
Squad at the gate.
Can't get in. Game for a thing. Oh, it started. Not the you.
Alex has a drink.
If I didn't have this, I'd probably be
What is this?
We're getting COVID tested now. We met Tim. Tim's the coach who apparently does nothing, 29. Lucia's old coach. Alex is making an account. She has her little latte. We're literally in the back of some random ass building. The game started like a couple minutes ago, but that's okay. So, best of 5, so it might go a while.
Back here, some squad members, if you will. We made friends. Tim followed me on Instagram. If you know Tim, he's famous. I'm pretty sure you do. Here's my drink. At least they let me bring that in because they seem pretty high security. Here's Punasso, also known as Andre or Andrew. Andre. Yeah, me and Andre are besties.
So we got negative COVID test now.
I was being kind of bullied by the front people.
The squad's Tim's rolling out behind us. Oh my god, I can just imagine like some Alex is feeling a little form.
I'm feeling.
We got a cute little badge. It took us only a couple hours. What the hell is this? Where are we? First game is over. We are heading to this.
Wow, that first game was wild.
I know, right?
Wow,
I'm so glad we got to watch so much of that.
That was so fun.
So we literally just arrived now to walk out to go find the smoothie bar.
Hopefully we can get back in.
Dude, Tim's on a mission though.
That's true.
Tim is on a mission, dude. Look how fast he's going. They did lose, but that's alright. Alex is trying to decide what she wants right now. Get a little smoothie action.
Okay.
Also got a smoothie. Pretty interesting, not gonna lie. Tim's kind of clutching up with the smoothie. They make smoothies in-house. And I try not to film anyone they don't want to be. Tim knows where to do. He's been around. Just got the acai bowl. Pretty fresh with a smoothie.
Caster so I can cast.
Joey's someone I date is getting close to LTS station right next to him. Kenby and Chad are ready now.
Put in the hours for the sign, Alex.
He gets to be other people if he kills them.
We're bringing it back right now.
I don't know how he works at all. I just know he gets to be other people.
Mr. Magic, right?
Magical.
Magical. You have anything to say to the fans?
Let's go Teams!
Alright, so here's a poster that Alex made. It's honestly really nice.
Do you like the hearts?
The hearts are beautiful.
They added like the good times.
They definitely did.
Like it before it was like meh, but when I add the hearts, it's like, and they're like purple and pink.
The game's coming down to a wire right now. It's honestly any man's game. IMT is slightly ahead.
He's just that big.
Oh.
100 thieves!
And yeah! Let's go! Oh, there's like... Hey, it's Tim.
Yeah, best
Plays for 100 Thieves. I think on their side, not to take the stance of the enemy, but sometimes you get nervous, you have to go for some skill shots, and that's.
So we made it to like where the workers work. I got a Red Bull. They had like a whole like stash of them. They work over there. Bum bananas. Here's the coach, or a person just standing behind them. This is their real editing of League of Legends. Absolutely nothing happens. It's great. The caster deck is up there. Magical's kind of just chilling there. Alex and I got like hella snacks. Got Red Bulls. We have a whole snack.
We have a snack chair.
Alex is tripping out because of the caffeine.
It's bad. How it works. Like coaches can't talk during the actual game. Right?
Yeah.
It's so pretty.
I feel like we're on a cake. No, he doesn't. Yeah, he does. Oh, can you tell him to pass it? Yeah. Okay.
That would make so much sense. Yeah, I'm like, I'm bringing you a brother.
I need it.
No, I thought the same thing too when I first met him.
Like, I was backstage and I bumped into him, like, oh, it's Breeze. He should know where
We're gonna get
100 Thieves is right now.
You're like, oh, want one. Oh, nice! Way to go for two! Break the stage!
So cute. They're literally so cute. Aww. Adorable. I think Kenzie has a crush on Wixxi.
I low-key do though. I don't know why. Bro, I should buy like all of his merch. Like singular just Wixxi merch.
Oh, we ought to go up there now.
Look at him pack up that key, bud.
Like low-key? Like would that not be sus?
Oh, Wixxi's getting a little back rub?
Should have had like an alarm. Oh my god.
Oh.
So this is Wixxi. This is up close to Wixxi. What are your thoughts of the game? Quick post-interview.
It's pretty good. I mean, we had some few nerves for the first game, but like we kind of like eased into it.
Like I saw, you were chugging your water. You were nervous.
I was
Alan,
nervous.
what would you rate the game? How's your first time here?
Very fun.
Very fun. You heard it here first, folks.
Perfect, guys. Oh, they're doing a meeting.
Bust down, Tatiana.
The Team Liquid sign looks kind of hype.
We're docking.
All right, we do like a little. So this is a Cheeto bag we had. Honestly, great. Caught Alex on film. Absolutely great, phenomenal. Not really sure where I ended up, but 100 Thieves won reverse sweep. Actually, no, they won one. They lost the first game, then won 3. I'm at some like random ass like. I don't even know. I don't know what this like. I am HDI. I don't even know what this is, but I'm in the bathroom, and we're waiting for Alan right outside right now. The 100 Thieves van is leaving.
Oh yeah.
We're all here. I went to the bathroom. Felt so good.
The address?
Oh, you want me to give him the address? All right. Welcome back to day 2. Alex just got. Oh.
Swag.
Who?
We saw your fit on Twitter this morning.
Oh yeah?
And we're like, damn, he's pulling up in that.
Gotta wait till.
All right. So they won. Team Fortress 2. No. 100.
Drinks.
Oh. Facts. We got hella drinks.
Do
100.
you mind like putting my seaweed in your pants?
Oh. Alan's on the post-game show. 100 Thieves versus Team Liquid tomorrow. Magical's an absolute G up there.
Is Alan in that thing?
No.
Oh, he's in the post game?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, then he's downstairs.
Should we go like stalk him?
Here's a cone of Riot games. Alright, let's get some post thoughts. What are your thoughts about the game, Alex?
I'm really confused about this green tea because it's like not sweet. I mean, I guess it's like organic and 0 calories or whatever, but it's just like really bad. Anyways, the post game was amazing. Still no Poro. If I don't get a Poro tomorrow, we might have some issues, but other than that's good.
What are your thoughts?
The game?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good game. Pretty good series. Wixxi popped off.
Facts.
JimieN popped off too. Yeah, everyone's kind of popped off.
And Busho. Boosie.
Boosie, little Boosie. It's like a transition shot, you know? But they can see me in the reflection. That's how awkward. Look at him come
Hey!
out. What a stunner.
Is that Jim Dog?
Yep.
Yeah, it's good
Popped
also.
off today. You popped off today.
Thank you.
Wait, where's Alan at?
Tribute.
Looks amazing.
I took it off.
Oh.
He just has good skin. Wait, your skin's like perfect.
Oh.
Guys, what? Your skin's perfect.
Is my skin not perfect?
No.
Oh.
Wait, what the?
It's not. Better hop on the bus.
What are you guys?
We're outside the 100 Thieves compound right now with Alex. Just had a lovely bus ride with...
Why did that take so long?
Didn't, you know, she was just in your head.
Really?
Yeah.
I
Anyways,
think that was a long
we're about to hopefully go on a hike with them. Pretty good day overall, I'd say. Clean sweep of GG, Golden Guardians.
Yeah.
We got in a lot easier this time, which was very nice.
Yes.
A little helicopter out there in the distance. Can't really see it. We're in like a little amphitheater, like dirt area, just the dunes, honestly.
Dirt.
Pretty caffeinated around now.
I am too, but it's like a caffeine crash.
Oh, look at that plane right above us, actually. That's so cool.
Yeah, I'm kind of tweaking out, guys.
We're gonna get Wixxi to sign our shirt tomorrow. We're gonna bring that shirt to the finals.
Obviously.
Tonight, not sure what the dinner plans are, but hopefully something good.
Hopefully I can steal Alan's food.
We need to ask him for the DoorDash for sure. Alex is dying of the heat.
NASA's.
Yeah, Wixxi!
Yeah.
Hike that shit! Yeah, I'm no more hiking.
Worth.
No, not at all. Oh yeah,
Yeah, you got it for free.
People that like will stick around so that you can then thank them, or you can just, you know, so that then it's about them more than about you. They're more egotistical. I don't know if that makes any sense. Narcissistic. It's about them not getting the recognition for doing something nice to someone.
Alright, so we're back here, last day. It is the finals of League of Legends, Lucio, Wixxi, the tag team duo. Alex is doing her hair. This thing is very loud. But I got the 100... I don't deal anymore. I got the 100 Thieves shirt on. We're gonna get Wixxi to sign it like just right dead in the center when I get a Sharpie.
Right.
It's gonna look absolutely gas.
Absolutely.
And we're gonna frame this on the wall. It's gonna be great.
Right.
What are your thoughts for
Why
today?
are you framing it and not wearing it?
Oh, because I don't want to wear it.
Like, are you gonna sell it in a million years?
No, we're gonna frame it.
And put it where?
Just on the wall.
Okay. And
So,
save it?
Yeah.
In the frat house?
In the frat house, we're gonna have Wixxi. So you ready for today? What do
And then
you?
eventually Hawaii.
Oh.
We live together.
Oh, sounds good.
Hawaii house.
The late dominated player arm. Just remember the 50 seconds. Turn around.
Alan on the big screen.
Big screen. Boy. Oh, Wixxi.
You're gonna shake that hand tag.
Okay, Wixxi. Wait, what is that?
It's a hand warmer.
Are they cold?
Yeah, your hands gotta. So 100 Thieves just lost the first match. So I decided to order the entire Riot Games menu.
To like eat away his sorrows. But it's okay because they took an L, but they're gonna take 3 more W's.
Quick food haul, acai bowl, steak blue cheese sandwich, or chata drink, cold brew, matcha thing, coconut water. Hey, they wanted it! Wait!
Wait, has this happened in any other game?
So it's currently, we've hit game 5, 100 Thieves 2-2 to Team Liquid. Absolutely wild games. The second game was Team Liquid destroyed 100 Thieves. We fell asleep, we cried. Wixxi is feeling so alpha right now.
Also no gummy bears.
Wixxi's feeling hella alpha, and overall, last final game is going to come down to the wire. It's really who has the early game. So Kenby needs to not throw, and we're all good.
Facts. Wouldn't be blocking cameras. Hello. Hello.
Them teaching where to put their feet.
Congratulations.
Thank you for the banger.